But the bottom line is that what we're going to talk about today is what I've been building for the past 4 years. So a lot of people actually know that I've been like literally, I locked myself in this garage that I'm working with an amazing team behind me. We were writing a lot of code since COVID started and everything, but mostly since Amazon became this social commerce platform.
Mm,
And that's where the magic is, because what I'm building, it's not really another tool for Amazon. It's the future of Amazon. It's literally, if you're not watching this video right now and taking action, Vova, you're literally going to stay behind and disappear. And if you look at all these old shopping malls that are now
mm,
became parking garages or being turned into Amazon FBA warehouses,
interesting.
it's only because of all these, commerce. They didn't understand that the world is becoming e-commerce. So when
Mm-hmm.
the world shifted from commerce to e-commerce, and all these people thought, no, people are going to come to our store, everything's going to stay the same. Nothing stayed the same. Same thing is happening now. The world of e-commerce is shifting into the new social commerce.
Mm-hmm.
And you see it everywhere with TikTok shops, with Instagram shopping, YouTube, Facebook, everything is social commerce. And Amazon are investing hundreds of millions of dollars into making their own platform social commerce as well.
Mm.
And every brand that is not doing the shift right now and understanding that in just a few months, if they will not bombard Amazon with the top influencers talking about their products, they're just not going to see sales, period.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas other companies that will take a portion of their PPC cost and put it into that
Mm.
influencer marketing will start seeing a huge spike and a much lower ACoS. And this is what we see for the brands that are already running. They say
Mm-hmm.
we are paying less and less money on Amazon
I
PPC
see. Mm-hmm.
because those creators just keep on making the listing convert much better.
Mm.
People are not going into this deserted page that doesn't have any kind of content and just leave it and go to somewhere where they can actually see real people talking
Yeah.
about your product and showing it. It's amazing. So it's a little bit of a warning call. This session that we're
Mm-hmm.
doing right now, it's not even just about showing the technology. It's just like a really big warning call. No matter what you do, if you want to succeed on Amazon in the next 6 to 12 months, you have to make a big shift in your brain because everything is changing.